and umulutu and omosheye. Net. And then we have lazy people managing. So they cannot even create. The only thing they can do is loot and share. Now, if so we were from far, obet me be defending the reason where we are only the because where we are. That thief is very dangerous. She guys to go back to the stealers.
They are stealers.
Mami shasi free ga honum. Yamfa president and do the can do the change do the can the free president. President say he's going to end a year vigilantism. I was woman. No need your moon and was said the predecessors. Who your move many goose.
Yeah, the radiance to any of good say omu neni emuso. Nanso so agro ebeso a efrianopa. Na seven previous say tiefo enemy be ya junior. Your impenifo bi wo oman Ghana mu a ese se ye de wo mo bo e ma wo mo enkanka ene Kofi Kumse o se sa papa wo de ni no pa obeye oman penia sebe min kaka menimpo e na agro 1 year enie yes men kan say ko ifie baako eko afiba akwa nanado ebedi abenya so pacho mwate ye friend say Kofi Kumse ene ewo baby ana because why na dream say nima onim papa we no o mie na no po emmowa ni ababe ka say ode no because onim papa all kind of wasem President Kufuor samobe kaya time na eye obvious say ota alantremati echino ofre party mpinifo o say aba mo kwakotu yi mamu nkoto aba emma obi a sebe neni so eye heja he described so obekai sa tape na o kire enipakura ensese yeto aba emma no that time no or say I also have the right to choose who comes after me. And then the MPP person who has come after President Kufuor or say etutura semdie otikra. Your first test was invisible forces. Debia mekase oho enchenche e wonafi. Bibi bia so atwere dia mpo nyankopon beye bia eye. I remember Munte 3 asemi ebaye. President Mahama never came out in our support or anything. He kept quiet. Say emra enye juma. Wowo ka say you will not turn a blind eye like your predecessors. And I'm telling you how responsibly John Dramani Mahama acted. Okana nutum se emrano enyene juma. Never interfered in any process. Who Delta Forces echo she your friend is saying
security coordinator.
Security court. Exactly. But court echo bro judge. Okachre say omunu omo hunti yemfa nche wo. Police ni oye an investigation about 8 charges against your friend is saying invisible forces. Nanado esuma ne attorney general se kokof docket rebra Gloria Kufu. Kofo docket rebra ni yenhwem. Omo hwemu no. Nanado ene Gloria Kufu kra pen. Chawemu na enter routing.
Routing ya omo di omo de buy na nka.
Exactly. Omo yi bibia afrim bibia ebetumi ama boys no ho atere omo no. Ye yi bibia afrim ene de routing ebom. Ye wie na ka trom say charge ye ide abom yi. Say charge no oye den kra na
2008.
Mwako etire no kra nu 2000. enti munyi 2000 fa chemu botum
ya na de tua
ya na de tua
ya no dada
ye di ano de da obi a ose onfoafo anema we so owie ye boy se so eba court no mo confidence so o ma she jacket court dem mo titi o ma cross o mo nan because on papa ne nanado was settle bibia de da. And they were told this before they went to court. Alistair ne Mugabe and me. Nobody knew the sentence ahead of us. Nobody knew.
Uncrophobic ni
Oh, some Crawford ni mo ni mo. Yeah, omo mu kuku, omo no aduane ndie. Omo ni se nsi fa ben fa. 4 months. Yes, they were saying it even before. That is why I tell you, say sometimes you do the HR system, Nyankopon, and ekuta yen, ewo oman Ghana. President Nanado, when he keeps assuring Ghanaians, Sebin Prebiasa, afena the emu odin nankasa eba. Nano adan heya omo kwako yi omo your friend is saying presiding chief executive. Your presiding member ma. A whole presiding member.
That's a kind of food.
Or granting interview knows. That is the level. Security for visible forces above a good damn or chum. Or see let them go out. I'm going to catch the presiding member. Say we are not going to go out. Sebi, we not maminfa your friend is saying Kwan Wosuna Honorable Adubaini.
Oh.
Nyankopon Fanekra NCA Emayen, former presiding member of Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Last week, Onyan baby.
Oh, I feel. Oh,
you time not near presiding member.
I am an uncle.
Small well.
Oh.
Sabin previous, some more same year. Omukodi, Sabi, Awadano. What they did.
I'm out of my mother down there, the man. Walk across the road. I have a shoe with her. My mother down there.
I am telling Ghanaians that we are not safe under the security of Ghana. But let me tell you something. I don't have time for court. I don't have time for speaking British language. But I will face all the rivers where the shrines are. I will face them one by one. And they will say what will happen. Yes, I'm a traditionalist. I'm not a Christian. So I'm also going to pray. Because they butchered me. They twisted my neck. They seized my phone, my money, my constitutional book is lost.
Who did all of this to you?
Those who hijacked us in the room. The so-called invisible forces. You were there. We were telling you, let the people get out from the room because we know the plans that the people said. We told you from the beginning that you took it as granted. Now you saw it with your naked eye. They came into the room first in their suits, and we suspected they are not national security. We put them out. Before we were counting, they disconnected all the power. You were there. Why are you acting?
That's that.
You see, and this is the force and the authority. And Nanado, and the access uncle for you. They don't respect police commander. He couldn't say Jack. He couldn't say Jack. They couldn't protect assembly members. Papa na Okasakra no yet. Your friend is a presiding member. Or he was just assembly member. Or say ye chim the con. Sabu komu ye do ye kuni ye sika as I show you phone. Of course. Obiani your small. Because they see a baby Ghana a drone. Obi a friend nyame because e binu mo hom say nyame bia da da wo mo de omu nim na fe because e kaso or the jewa we ni beda ho. But this is the level of confidence as our invisible forces see omunya, and police are damn quiet in this nation. Me, I know for sure say Nana Adodankwa wa openo obetuma ginedi school feeding secretariat yet to me call lock up. Your friend is a national, your friend is a health insurance. The same thing ko attack you ko bro yes office went to attack and beat people.
Toe boot.
And paper bi so dey aba say yakwa we 450 million were told Ghana just say invisible forces
na no anybody among
opinion Ghana for ma yena ye ho so say ya bibia akwa kodu no put your security in your own hands. Put your security under Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. You cannot rely on anything. Your security is in your own hands. Manuesi.
Kwajo,
Same.
I'm paying another say I say the do not put together. Vigilante or none of Papa by or be trust with me pume.
Same be
That
that.
was I me pume. Me pume, I say me tinting, Mary Maker so. Or was I knew none of us who was a Kufina accident man in Umbrella.
But just on Nana no puman there at Ranum.
Okay.
At Rano.
Me ba kwenye ezo me nche tiefo, especially me am so for Reverend Beduko bi baby obi we nche kese nkomo. Na me nche African President John Dramani Mahama. Since African baby one way che one
exactly.
You the African President. What you say? And say you
I don't know before.
and I say go for before because I know they were trying to ya. E wi ase bibia una abeche, una abedi ani.
And so significantly Papa no edru Ghana no asan so nya bi.
Na no hwe woni Buhari.
Na
Buhari na no woni yakoto abana no so ompero.
Exactly.
Wo hwe John Mahama nim sa eto ho gold. Wo hwe so se tiwu na me gesu yi. Mahu
tie. Na ne foreign affairs minister. Okay asema okay.
Also a sharp.
Or said all his life he has dealt with presidents and presidents, but he has never seen somebody with sharpness of intelligence and his astuteness. On whom be that?
Buhari did no. Na duane no nti o. Wo hwe John Mahama sa no papa dey. Aduane ne hwe na na wo hwe John. Wa na wo ti wa fa sika gogu kotoko koma grofo so muntu no. Afedi wo say mistake.
E bia no ho ye ne fe.
Ne wo ye ne fe too much. No hu akwa no hwe dey no kasa na. Wo different because here can say fie be sumo bi o fie o. Ya no bi. Ya tena se hu ye say leadership pa de quality pa de. John Dramani Mahama baby obi en check say come say elaborate election so on en kokko hwe so. Say postpone election na me boa. Ti say ba am so o man mu o ato dia o peompeo radio good program pampa so baby da bia wo tie bi so tie en check say come. Na me wi am check list baby list obi en check say come. Say so ya do gidipa. We odi boni o ni boni o omra ni pam. Ye nyina nyede yen kam mo ne nyadwuma no. Why they meet my country lista baby obi am ento nka ai
O ko hwe ready anim.
O hwe ready am. And at least so no say be put me I gon be am ko di boni po mu wiye won be pa acho sa na e won grofo bebre banjilom ni ade on buy e bia be pastor so tie say and the list am not meant to
as far as you are concerned.
Oni obi aboni bia yes onye aboni bia apart from the contempt we in page you know that is then in the fort to and so what he Alisa
but the no cry no so any say Nanado abemu ye tatawa na also what
so Alisa Jack, where are you?
Eti no Nanado tata binom or tata lista so into say lista ta
I am comfortable maybe.
Same me da say winim na me nuano o kan sem bebre fa Nanado we o kan who say Professor Mo start with the president ono so can we making some comment we say Mami da bia no me who is the president na wodi no onu ampo ni confidence of a president e do ba bi prof team begina abonte ka say munim sa me na me president of my mu na wo busa hwan ya to aba mawo am how so in bibia so in am okra we no okra there's only one president obi ka chance me nu ana me ensa no onyine hu ni no onim so a president e ti obema kisa comment e ti twa ni people because na ferry what one oye ndisi ni na who the president be ka we otim say papa wo kwa na so wo ba na Nanado ya to abama as a president wo mrantie no maba wa mo to abama mo kan ho to abama sa mrantie ne soro mo afa Ghana eniema nyina ire ahye o mo nsam a o mo ye nyamra nsam de ekoso enye aden na da bia Nanado beba bonten it's like a politics what aso ye politics na o peto ba obeta konwa no so o sori anopa na mese me yese o so obi pie no esa me ese obi pie no esa me ese aden nti na da bia beba bonten asa obeka we ansa na implementation beba so abaso was statical ansa na me nuane ka no waka sansem we sama da bia waka achi bia nu ade watima yeda me da bia me ka president Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo were one of the good but idea woni mu ye ne say obi o kan ho be di boni a obi punish nipa no oni mu ye obi kan ho no ya de na ye o say nye o eno de ontimi mie na no no nka tibi we na do kan no metima ka cho say siri hu ya do because I'm not telling am say MPP mu obia say de mo ye ne obia oni be hia bia do mo ye de say ne nguase o mo titi yo because they see a BS weekend every see next week that's what they be a president no be gina bonten no aka ne sa wo de to wa na akọ hwe way for their court di anami ne yekan wo be gina ho ne wo ba we a meet the president ebusa wo so mo kan ne bono mo dey wo mu nu wo mo ho wo be kan we kura wo man ni pampo nya confidence wo mo as a president eso to be channel ade am ba be kan anya bia mo for ni nyina mo chema so me kan be mo dana ana so me fa ne say because don't be nyina on ka be ntia president say be can dia enye but I don't desire president na ka be no we ya and ko for be reading meaning to it papa ya say mo kan say be mo say be nya do anya bia odine ho ansa no kan ya na dudu na asa no be reading meaning to it tina na me dey me say the way wo ya na because Ghana say Ghana ba bia fa bia ehu ma me one example who say me call Mrs. Year no last Saturday twem same me call Brown of Kenya say how me make me call appear stadium ni fie ba me call no me call channel busiafo same who say because of Galamsey na ene koso ona Galamsey bi koso pa hono ana de omo security akọ omo microphone ade ade Galamsey mo stop omo no a microphone omo to Galamsey I'm telling you say omo na de na me nuane ka mo ani mo ahio say wudi agro no se Kenya say bob say 9-10 ho na say wudi agro say bia wo nante akoba bi na wan hwe yie a masa ye de ade be hwe ko ahia ju bibia obotom bia so wo be so akoba bia wudi Africa na so nika unika na be nante ye mo do so ni nyina ya na do we ni bia because at the end of the day boys na no omuye we no ya mo bia betra fie ana nsa anya adwuma no Bible say eden obuza man adwuma ye tinsa ne bia anya adwuma ene fulani fo na agi we aboso yi agi ko wa aboso no eno de me hu ade kra soja 40 anu no ayi fo no mo de adem kwa galam say fo ne from say
eno say vice president
one more name bia de from adem kwa Operation Vanguard so ayi fo no mo Operation what de omoko we fo no obi anu no eye na adwuma me ka che sabro hafo ko Kenya ase a tan no nsuo na da won ta no nsuo kitwa na eno ensuo bia ni ho Galamsey omo yamu wi a omo tudura fo mo anu mo ko pe kakra no mo bedidi se ya pam obi begu fie ena mrante ani abre ena omo ye niam anye adon de ni nyina ya na do ena amasa we ayere aba Operation Vanguard is Operation one no squadron leaders no ada na ofa bi to omo fo omo nko we kwa won na ka nwura nim enwura nim all the kwa bush ni nyina na ka soldier camp sa na ka we fo ni nyanko eno de mo nye mo so nkrofo kogua de hu hia no yes Bible say de hia sa na ye de fata de omo ye nya ba kokura ni we hu hia aniema be gwa no frɛ MCE for no mo na so mo kasa na no me tie police commander no is kwa say Eastern region me tie ni kasa sa me bu me rebo hwe say the civilians re bo mo wo ho na so nya asem bia na wa fɛ na wa ka kyerɛ ye mfiri ye kwa fuo mu na so bi chime fuo mu na okumia me den ma frɛ wo ye say we commander no what Eastern region say police command because ne everybody obi be say abi ni na kan say enkwa adwamare anusi bia de e se bi no because I change man obi so konya bia de ye ni pa yo mu ai fulo ni fo egu bush omo mafie ebe ai sami epie na okwafuo mu a na obi achi sami na okunu ebe de na sami etimatia mu se police fuo mu na magie obi ade enhihia gu fom se de nwura na ho nyina no ye make sure say ye de ye ba be si camp kete mu ba bia ma fulo ni fo nyina ere ya pamom akọ ye mu se on say Ghana we apart from say bia ko be si ba bi Ghana ai amforce e de adwuma no mo ye ni busa o de chema de ba ko me police for de nya kra de say o mu gya kwa so gie 22 cities gya no mo gie ko ne o mo gie ehu o mo kwa so gya for na apart from say so mo ko ba bi e de no mo ye ti yes so gya for ne chem 2 nearly half ko kwa bush ma ganye yi eno de anwene hu eniema ehu hi eniema emfata eniema individuals afa position de acha o mo nsem na afa ha no wasi mebo ufa ha wasi enra nkrofo me MPP for na fro VIP bi o so mo ko chief of staff for yi me need to do na for VIP am free 2018 ni bi 32 almost half the NPP phone bi and me no free the one for complain about omu ababo na bia che we me NPP for no because for 9 months yenti obiaka sami musa one question ye ba ye no budget ana NDC tam ready ye so be ready bi na mboa say within that time sika kakra ba system no ye ba ye nyi kwai ye nsi school ye ntu nsuo ye nya bibia yenya hwio yes next week yes already another budget so within the already you know the buy 2016 2017 the timu anya bia me busa say the day yɛnyɛ yɛntɔ pɛnsi wɔ mu yɛntɔ pɛn ɛde apɔtee ne ɛde yɛ
GPS
nti sɛ ɛmmerɛ ne so na sɛ korɔ no a ɛbɛbɔ nti yɛnyɛ kɔɛ bi so mmɔ korɔ no a we create we bu yan create loot and share straight up obi mo ya to on near so abɛdi sika no ɛno ana sɛ work fan crop for party boys and then this NPP mo asi national security wuni mu din twere wuni security expert hope say adoye ɛno ase teacher training wo so your coordinator airport obi di koke twem pa woni ma ko di twem ɛno me de minimo me te say the man me te say yi na di what you say say nkrofo we mu nyina na ukwa me boys bebrebe a ya so mo agum wudi akola akokotena baabi 9 months untua ne kada ubusa minister say ntua me ka MC ye ntua me ka DC ye ntua me ka so far me busa Ghana foi ti Ghana fo sika ni nyina e de na e de aye
vice president minister ye ntua ne ka because say we sika so dey any brand come
so why na me busa so far sika ne ba e system no mu e de John Dramani mama say na niam ankoyi say electricity so mo by corner ekosoro e bru ye so
unima o mo dey top bank
na unima ma na unim say no want to be eto o mo use Lazarus o mo use to Aviate ba mo dia no ya the price wani mu chewe unim dia ma and another no nkro me nyina na do ni say president me nyina ni ba kokora da ade a me nyina na do ni say wa ba e na say aman mu obi antoka afoforo na no me shia na do no convoy na car be 20 no ni nyina 2017 ani agimi ana ye Ghana for agimi we see nyina nyu so ke me shia 2011 2012 2014 within the range they get fresh for 2016 but na do cars na convoy na o nyina apart from on crown body mu no dia ka nyina 2017 ti 2017 cars na mo use no sebia nyaado mo na mo de tetare ho ana
animal farm
o same yet wo man ni mu na sese be politics na sa asiefo no beti ase ya nyama mo so benefit kakra wo yes e bu mo kwase adodo e fomfo na bread NPP fo me se ne pa e ti me kan na me wian ma bandits fo so no Sunday the ballot boss pass so Nanado say John Muhammad Dika win the first one Nanado win 1-1 ye ko fa na match and then this for ya na me ya no this is the last match Michelle na so share 1-1 yen pe winner extra time ya mo mienu kama se John Muhammad vote obenya no enya de ketwa na not one abetia no we akoko bi osme pe ayi osme pe obi aso pe bi na amade na ye sabi enya attractive what you say na no say wo me nua ba ko ne wo frɛ me adem ko hwa ne phone me pe me boni de bi enya ne na betre say me presidency no na ntimi me ko gya bo me to pa na wo be support so kokodi president o man mu adem wonu ma niam bi o no ma ye wo de nyina ho kwa nyina nyina ne fata ye what you say ni nyina ye wonu nyina ho kwa wo pe president edi
enti any day
eti e me support am timi dia bo what you say what ti grandpa what timi say madness what you say but wo be dey ye nyina abusia fo to be dey kan even the national executive position unya bi why you know pa ye region police assistant bi constituency no kwa kofa ho I say me aye nipa ba kwa ne betra ho to ope constituency chairman bi won so be program bi na me call ne ho me call ne constituency a wono ne constituency me sa check me sa aye reference people me call ne constituency hunim what one complete obi one completed building open that why can you become a chairman with that no well, let's continue
the constitution is the supreme law of the land
respect the chair
you can say whatever you
want
you can say if you are allocated you can say that because government doesn't pay you taxpayers don't pay you you haven't sworn an oath to anybody but when you are appointed as a high commissioner not an ambassador, a high commissioner, and then you swear an oath to the of allegiance to the Constitution of Ghana, and the Constitution of Ghana says there shall be no discrimination.
GhanaPoliticsOnline.com.
All manner of persons. That's what the Constitution of Ghana says. Then you come and say, have you read Animal Farm before? It says all animals are equal. That's how they started. When they did the revolution, they said all animals are equal. Then when Napoleon and the pigs started enjoying, they had to justify why they were enjoying. So they said all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. So when they were looking for your votes, I remember Akufo-Addo said, President Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, said, we shall open the opportunities of this country to all Ghanaians, irrespective of your party or your ethnic affiliation. Do you remember he said that? So we did the revolution and he came to power. Now that the pigs are enjoying, they say some Ghanaians are more Ghanaian than others.
Pampaso live for Radio Go 90.5. So the na animal farmer.
Me mama obi di Mr. Me kasa ni mo di.
was a last baby fina mo uncle.
Yeah.
Na Mahunse, Makoko back or no Nyanya size by animal farmers by Nibi. And my best is 7. Or no qua capture 5 for my baby be amount. The weekend you look.
Social necessary NPP. What just boy constituency chairman. Your friend Mr. Ofori Ampuma. Was this a president and Sake Energy Minister? NPP the 2020 and forget. I didn't hear. So papa we are cast as a Buddha man bear 1 week. A kufa no farm Munam Pamna. The Bekesa. The Beginning. What is about the constituency chairman? What just boy? No my body dinner. Miss Ampuma. So no, I know how it is. Chairman or was it on one as electricity contractors? One of them chairman.
Oh, okay.
And was this a near man share more than any amount by energy minister? The Abansi and Sakina 2020 get in Kobu. Someone who papa will kind of crazy. You are a Jacob. Sataman no opposition. There be another time my from with me and San Many. The bar of the pressure be good. John Apostle. So what's son? Later, who's a son John, you know, now too late. Your ma papa will minister. A Jacob, the second fellow on you. Your man campaign manager or Felipe Pam no Cotran. We will tell you away. Now, Papa no Lottery's a friend. Lottery's chief executive. Oh, Sam Meow. The hotel is legal. I will be an ANC shopping mall next year. I own a hotel. I forget the name of the hotel. I don't know what tonight. Because Papa will want who's the Debiano, your Mima Trouble, my way, and my vice president. What's our vice president in Yamama Bruce or Bagana when he died? I feel the other campaign manager. And then got automatic years. Ultimately, Minko, but the minimum who's from American say, I be our failing campaign manager. Campaign manager fairly and now 2 hours and I'm called Lucy. What Bonnet but ministry we say, no was up the Ama Papa. Papa in our son and people consulting chairman. Made a mamma present a couple bench or Muka Anamaba. Do a team as a papa as a son and a tis our papa when a number tetano. Changing no said work on so changing watching a consulting chairman because I suspended. Who bet the best suspend or channel church because of no cry. Wako County. San or Moya Manacos because the panel woman campaign manager money. Eden no money energy minister.
May I say, Quajo?
Honorable, yes, Ranuanda. Send the petrol war aircon. A bra, one made minister, no work. Side down, Kuna. So maybe a petrol war, what took 100 Ghana grandpa, and you say. Light bill, one strategy. Say a 5 CDA. One more time, we have to 2 rough for 10 CDA. Now about 1 say a tissue 2. Now about 8. Nejina wa. Petro, Mosami ati Petro, so and I will say Petro na ya cran one determine a boa woman fine. Na fast no na wonim say ya nkran na na omudi chamu abu ayem fanye akata sa petro bu akwa na ekosoro light bill kwa na ekosoro muti wa kata sa afa na be katre say ente ayi abu no beba fom na beba fom adada no untumi ma no ma fom e na ato now ankofo wutire wo mu ni asetire mu ya den no sabanya na kasa bebre sa kasa ntoponko wutil dan wutu wai ukwatena wai wa o man fam so an oba numra ubekasa sa enim strategy edit petro so enim strategy edit light be so nyina enim nyina gas ne power ya wuni as wo ba ye baka wanu atum na wote wo ada wo gas ya nsamu mo ya man kwankofo bebre musam mo nka no kure boate da ko be ya no ayo mu bibi aye na nkofo ho tiri wo mu petro buo bebi akwakodu uto petro 100 Ghana krampa enkwase unkotia light bearer ya koke kosi na kwasha nkofo so awamusu uka asa niema akasi na ehia mo ma asitena mu ngo enipa ho tiri wo mu sanso and never be sure say sika tell so electricity town maka once a day and the boss of the body the government find electricity town for the about the tissue
and fellow Ghanaians, life is tough. Things are hard. In fact, life is really rough. Things are so difficult that it's not making it easy for the ordinary man to survive. In fact, things are so tough that it's not making it easy for men and women to survive in this economy. Take a look at the electricity situation. How can we live in a country where electricity is higher than the rent that you're actually paying for? How can electricity be higher than water and everything else put together? How can electricity be higher than your salary that you receive per month? It's unacceptable having this kind of government in office.
Trainees are suffering, patients are suffering, students are suffering, presidents are suffering, pensioners are suffering, drivers are suffering, contractors are suffering, civil servants are suffering, and farmers are suffering, fishermen are suffering, and industry are suffering, artisans are suffering, and carriers are suffering, the disabled are suffering, and men are suffering, women are suffering, and children
are suffering, including our vice president. He is also suffering.
No, you're dying. Need that with them. Need that with them. I need that as a senior minister. When you have been suffering. What did you make when you have been also fat will be and do an answer? Tina cannot be responded because and saying you man, but someone you might.
I wish I was tired. Kuluga Limited, I go for Papa de Bedro, the friend Mr. Q, Member Drew, Bema, Mr. Mansankabi, Nanko Yampa, my man, who met my top of Mukrinum Planfo, said a bear, I would never boy, Drama Moniaso. Now, Unum, me Kuluga Limited, Mr. Q, Noir, Bema, a man, what they sexual energy, no, a coastal money to me, boy, Juma Pa, as if it's a keep you, or sex period, no, which me boy, Juma to us a power to me 15, upper crowd bit me 30. Uno Mr. Q, Obama, on a be determined when Opeso Dumoka engine, Opeso Duja, Opa, Bessie Sam, my daddy to Mr. Q, was also a mark of my Bama own Yisika, no, two nearby. So on your tree, or bar, or for nearby, or the game would be no, not how we go so. Oh no, Mr. Q, Adria. Oh yeah, Bama na Nubia, and my coat of General System Yading, and 2 year press up as soon but to sa. Galam say one hour chrono. Sounds so now, one so a sabwa, a multimicutia bread, stress and fatigue, a bomb by multimia, you might 2 years, you might a crowd to bread. A sub is to immune system, a multimia, you could say, Yahu be brave. So, no Mr. Q, a Draculunga, Mr. Diaba, a summer libido, what tinker, what tinker, or no one, why I see, a buying funny creature anymore. Oh, which Mr. Diet, 19 Q now, Crepeja, when our Cronoco Yeduma. After says, I want my rapid a year erection. Bama, oh, eh, Chebe, a bit of a slow, Dabby. Yempeg a year, Pido, Subani be heat overheating us and a Janino, Dabby. Mamma, they brought on my gisel, and over Sana. I say Piganity, W automatic entrance. Papa, the Jada Wunakron. After so, we are Bamanumbia, premature ejaculation into Quatama so no baby shams is no demo, that be after some more thing. The member be a man in Sankabi, or bar, Toma Oku, Toma and a Baboa. Kununga Limited, and Ray, Mr. Cubania Biatu be true, 0244 139 176 0244 139 176 Vodafone 0204 139 176 and Atigo 0274 139 176 Namau Sankabi. Jackson Educational Center so provided course with a general program, early childhood education, French education in Nano, Oko School, we have access to student loan, access to national service enrollment, access to Ghana education posting, and after all 10 learning centers, our Ghana regions in Nano learning centers, or who here DB and more DBR, a minimum entry requirement, WASI, SSC, in Tibet, when your credit passes, our 3 core subjects, including English and mathematics, our now from 2 elective passes, when you are now chrono. After mature student at my school, be our own feeling 25 years, Robert Torrance exams, or pass here. Also, Udamoko. Open so apply a true e-vouchers. Ubenyabi ADB Bank, GCB Bank, Eco Bank, HFC Bank, Sinapia Bus Savings and Loans, and after 10 learning centers, Organa. Jackson Educational Center, Ewokumasa Yebias, BK, NUST, Patronian Chimwa Fred, 0540 104 949, 0540 104-949. Franco Trading Enterprise, Open Phone, Laptop, ni TV Bako, and answer to phone, Papa, and more for more. A Franco Trading Enterprise, furniture master, your showrooms, now so called Nyakoma, Adabraka, Usu Cycle Tema, Medina, Hachukufudia, Honi Kaswa, when your showrooms live on Munyan Timwa, can sober freight 0546133188. 0546133188. Somebody is not enough bad my so I say and Ghana and never widening electricity in Tumintia. And the companies, they say banks, hotels, supermarket, cold stores, Wufie, and our office, electricity born costra, but Monday so energy Ghana Limited. Now a month for Mumfi the Papa Modiabama Standard Authority for the Masashas, you know, MA store home farmer. Now reduce you can bono between 11 to 38%. Union baby or master ye. Free nana show much that coin. Boytima from our 0268 720 279 and 0241 535 244. Now a Momoapa. Pampas live on Radio Good 90.5. Soon as we go so with you know. Ye can want to idea chat or crab by a bar. Doctor Muhammadu Baumia, aka you and I were not there, aka Ghana Post GPS, aka 419, aka Animal Farmer. Jincha on the entire my bar, the response or they responded to former President John Mahama. A bit cheese handsome nothing. They have almost got a few minutes.
Sister waitress, Mr. President, you want me table when I'm new chibu view.
Me patch on me.
Good. One who niggas now, one need cheese be a table when she had to say by the fireside or corner one.
Me patch on.
Good. Now, what about a guy now on the giving support joint? Wonderful. Now, a dear Peters necessary when you mark one more sepina on a corner. Now, Peters, he bad up and just watching you now, also a piece will be a table.
Hey, a kingdom beverages for my and say my engagements. Ne party, I say, outdoor in a year singing now. Seven. Bitters, he put one of say,
I see. Nasa Kingdom Beverages Limited. At the Kakai 777 beaches are back. I'm a man watching a dog one. I'm here to go through. Your first, Nabil.
0244 805 415 and 0244 808 At your Sunum, never know. I say, and so am not buying what you want to buy. You only die not in the mammy. I only 2 personal. But you I need 2 personal. And that's all you'll be. I need 2 personal. Deputy Vice President, New York Bank. I need the personal life. Every day. Send the way. Who can find a gas one? Ever know? Oh, Pescas die. Oh, Pescas die. Another one for because we go to the me go for me obey me. What can I say? No support. No Facebook. But the end day. Who campaign money get here now for that. You be on my 5 minutes straight. Second floor. I had no knowledge. I'm going to be brand on if that is enough, when I make a sound from and say, I just am this. If you never pro, meaning Mr. Kill never bought you buy bad. Mr. Kill, so one of the somewhere, Mr. Kill never want for you. Not about Mr. Q, how many inches? Mr. Q, a drip trim. If you have 40-42. Ah, what's it 20? What's it 28? They're about Muntie anywhere 32. 42 for the sorry, did I take things? So many minutes. What did they make us? Sure. Mr. Q, at your phone call Kulun Ghana Limited, our East 0244-139-176. And 0204-139-176. My name is Kukwabwa. 6 years ago, at Ideal College, my life totally transformed. I had failed in all my senior high school exams before I came around. I resorted to attending classes in big schools, big names, and big buildings, failing to recognize that academic success was not in buildings, but in tuition. After a thorough investigation, I discovered the Ideal School, Ideal College. Now I'm in my final year in law school. Don't waste your money in schools where you cannot get results. Ideal College looks at the academic, moral, and spiritual life of your wards. At Ideal College, we students do not have to pay extra for tuition. Special tutorials are organized to bring them at par with their colleagues. Weekly tests, monthly exams, coupled with everyday homework, will get your wards busy and get flying colors out of them. Prof makes sure students don't have to loiter around during free periods. Ideal College treats teachers well, so they bring out their best. Teachers are punctual. Teachers also set exam questions to bring out the best before they write their final exams. Once the registration is currently in progress, we also have ACCA, DBS, GRE, SAT, TOEFL, and workers also have weekend schools. Why don't you let your wards attend our senior high school once and for all? If remedials are producing results, then how much more our senior high school? Call Prof on 0244-275830. How can you feel?
We brought you Medicine for Love, dinner for promotion and prison graduate. Now, April Communications presents Bukom, a stage play based on Bill Marshall's award-winning novel. Your home is your husband's home. You only come to your father's home for a visit. And I don't encourage visits more than one month. I've come to you did people, and those marriages don't end until death. Come and have a good laugh on the 11th of November 2017. So originally we and 7 p.m. Ghana City. All Koala Shops, Maxmart 37, Bachona Total, Community Shell, National Theatre, Frankie's Hotel Lusu, and Radio Go. This play is directed by Amachia Prempe, starring Clemento Suarez, General Tatia, Pearl Daki, and Dinaru of Things We Do for Love fame. This play is sponsored by Adisha Estates Limited, N8 Afrique, Eddie's Pizza, and Vivo Land Yogurt. Media partners, Radio Go.
Yes, sir. Any challenger, no sir, always strong in the air, by land and on the sea. Free contingent, no flower. You are ever ready. No curve, no bend. Shut. How do you feel? And I said, I wish you would put in for a kiss. What there was several man a boost to be a immune system and a secure baby. But we will yell fast. Commander, versatile capsule. When I'm checking, I am team. That is the small job for me, sir. Now the smart. All pharmacies, chemical and herbal substances. I'm coming natural mineral water. You are in charge of all the troops. When a woman worker capsules be your best and your worker clinic limited and dental intervention care TV down Kumasenso Alaba Ababu station opposite Siko house Obian Faye 0244 30 and 0248 50 40.
I love Radio Gold 90.5.
Like MPP is whittling away its honeymoon period with the mistakes that it is doing. Otherwise, how can you launch a Google GPS system that is freely available on our mobile phones and say it's a national addressing system? It's such a pity. You know, why would you embarrass the president so much? You go and take a whole president and bring him to launch a system that is essentially 419. And when you talk about accountability, this is where the president should show that he's serious about corruption. Somebody must account for 15 million Ghana cedis giving away free of charge. When I was in office, there was a bus branding incident, 3.6 million Ghana cedis. A minister of state resigned because of 3.6 million cedis. When you come into office and you want to cover up, you can cover up. When things happen, you just refuse to investigate them. The toughness of the fight against corruption is that you're able to take action against your own people. And that is what we did when we were in office. Here, the president seems unable to take firm action in anything.
The National Digital Property Addressing System is not your 419 200 million Ghana cedi SADA guinea fowl and tree planting scam. It is not your 419 Smarties Pass branding scam, and it is not your 419 $23 million runway at Kumasi Airport. It is not your 419 $952 million JIDA scam, and it's not the 419 $14 million mansion.
That's Dr. Muhammad Baumia, the Silka 419 Silpe Obabe responded. Na all the amount. Na mimi tie Vice President response na who said no correct say nimdie yetumi to nimum nyansa die nyame na edema nyame nyuma doso na wo so de nsempa no so ahinta nyansafo na we ye kire enkokoa de ahinta nyansafo na when you back message or the aba or see MPP the animal farm practitioners need you the buy no amfani din anka ho me ba ko mienu miensa bi awa say so you nya gifty muntie ladies need you the aba president or say good afternoon to or say hunto na na kuna do adma say how much is the electricity bill now, how much is the rent now, how much is water bill now, how is the economy and citizen feeling now. We wish to hear voice again. We used to hear a voice again on these matters because JM is out, Nana is in. Yeni aba gifty. President Nema Muntie ladies and on so pursue bisa Nana Kredu be bold. Maybe everything is okay, comfortable lead. You see one Kasebu. Now yeni akabno puni. Was it Sami? Don't blame Baumio. He just want to be popular because Osafo Mafu has taken his job from Kabno Puni. Kisamane, I don't know. And that's Papa. Now obi ju adwuma na so opa adwuma ya ekwa wo so fa so nya adwuma ni enua ba ko so chair captain that's papa ba so o chia ya was na enua kitil samo or the about say captain, I think you have forgotten one of the Baumians name. He's now called political impotent yes amanyosimu odo bnada na Mr. Hamza Ansuri about say captain of the dress ship. Good afternoon. Captain Baumia is Mr. Bean of our time. He doesn't know the MPP is using him and to tell lies. If this is the economies that we can boast of in Ghana, then we are doomed as a country. And Ghana is a failed state. Abba, Asembe Mpuni, Onyame Bajihai, Habba, Mr. Hamza, and also the free Nima or the Abba. No, because you call lunch, anyway. Change, yeah, change any. Vice President, were ye or my penny Mahama, and on a GPS, a former President Mahama said, I did ye fear in the see if you now become a Mangana 419. Vice President Swayna, Media, no, Senna, see a TSC, a fire, and also Okasa Hussein.
Osame, Mr. Chetty from Nakoya Sadamai. This is La Paz, the more people, La Paz stations thing na Yamuti program. Programs on the session. Umpe, Hana, yes. La Paz for one team, the vacancy. Yes. Oshani, you know, we speak with commands. Okay. Wouldn't it be something? See a ball, untam tables are say boss of a boss man. What I say?
Mahama can be Yantanasi.
What I say? I don't the a man near to say be a mampani that and then I'm a moon and a diamao. And I vice president, who not teach you, Banyan, who not teach you, born another a chidom. Nanado Magana for your words, or no, or man and ma, better Bonamana Booma. One got over to boo. Was so about me or like Mateo wine as the cause of a boat in the breed. Timun was when somebody who better boo man, because they want to be yet. I remember that the day now meet the president. One of the questions about the state of the economy. It was Overquana, Wizukana, Sata Baumiano, radio, to Papa, so answer and inquiry. What I say? And to wound and need almost on Bayadiano. Tis all a vice president. Send him on Koya office because they say no. Be and we Koya man office. And it is out to honest be a former president. Or jog and that's what cancer be. When you buy it, a true Papanicano. your last time no near airport no near airport residential near ko hwe bi no sa time na sa we aba
da bi no mo fa
GPS number eso so ya go get say nyaaye baby akọ edem trodo ko du baby ani ekọ enti dia na mpasa mo kire we ya dia Ghana for odwene ho ana I would say we na Ghana for pa na the vice president say Ghana for sika kakra e wo no munya baby mfa nhye na se che na bia mo pese mo che dia mo mfa nhye baby for sen Ghana Rose ai minia ya oba ai Makati ni kro mu yi ai enkwanta area mu kwanda na de a ekọ yi na sisi we no contractors ni yi a se mo nyina stop e ka anko de ka ba the Makati ka so ko du ba bia yo fa ukada no de atozo those places like scan here be ko chem na ho pram be dibia ha obia we de mu ye kwan no ba we ade ko chem pa de Ghana for sebia mo sebia nyaado emfa so be ne be nya fiso na se papa na ikira so no ho da woni mu anyina woni so we ade bia mo scan mo pa de achadi wo soro wo mini ade kum wo soro be gyan keka asimo kan pona wo soro atemidi o do ano ya odi atem so trans na utie ya o ya no okasa chepa ni mu atiase and ototo ne sa no ko ti de make say wono say busasa anya bia obedi vice president e de ba ko mienu and yet was a vice obaye and she share ba ko mienu we no de gu akwam wonti me to say we sa de ya GPS ade okofa ba ya akoye niema bebre wo ti ase say wo anga sa no ne ya kan wo say wadwuma ba bi obaye adwuma so wode say wono no first minister na economic team no on the vice president do na no my chairman I remember Ali Muhammad time no onu po ne we one of finance minister, but no report man on them president. But I always say the senior minister straight to the president.
Or special aid.
So yeah.
To yourself,
Marfo. What am I? Because if you are not got them pono, just one or special a yakotan. To when you know, I did it in a hand. What did be a cocoa or any months? So at the end of the day, or be waiting now, not give a cost I want more. Also forget to cry now. Na Ghana for bana to man and no time actually one bebo body am mo na identity na call him I know only team answer so that none you are many the next president don't forget it some most in you na ayi buy no ayi buy na mama buy no don't forget it ye ko prime this ne se ba me etimi detail and nyankopon abo no ali mama detail so detail nyankopon abo no NPP ye mfa ne ma ne ma obi keke sa o na wo even self confidence bo ni bi e de na etimi di NPP ma se bra be lead the NPP self confidence keke udina nipa nim na wo kasa se wo sre o ye hu dia wo pese o kire hwe na na ogina ho no ma so serious as a vice president as no be kan odi castle sa be serious na kasa mam Ghana for say ni say na pay check ni em but say sa ila bi NPP am leadership and na do na way ni slogan o say ni bu fitete nya last 2 weeks akojo ebo account e card ma no nya no bi ni epe what you say eti vice president yesira no se bibi ho no ma say that Ghana for ni abreni amamu ne nko ni tutu ye nko yie no even the special NPP ma ya tu abanye obi benefit once in ponye de emfi aban mu e kwa me fa party for no beto mu e na say mu ye ne say omampani da e na okay say me no ka say bia no te ni fie o e kina beto sa so no sa beto nyampia foforo ne wa sa so no ko reply no ade e kina to no reply say fa so be ne to mamu sa mamu no mra your mama te so no busa ho sa president mama te so no no because of finana on fi umpo one tea only enu say no mo friend nyumbi lumba nyumbi no mo de friend mpo o jamfru jamanya na sam adwuma o de ache ne nsa no enu no oye o mampani ku photo the same thing u be di amamu na o mamu so be plan ko for one chair another obi be kan wo de sa ani apon 4 years 1 year na atwamu aka another year 2 years aka in a campaign e de be pa no betimi abeche amagana for say Ghana fo e mo de ko ye no yesi enyese me busa one question hwe kwai from year to way the am yan so o kan bi say enyumade no o se there Ghost Road and na me jump no so ka sa as a vice president pa na ke senya Africa for ne ye and na ke ya brofo no mo a utimi ka we Accra ha ba bia no mo nya asfalt wo bi o se nya John Dramani mama na nya ne nyansa ne wisdom wo na me nim say hu po nya say kwa say ya time no kwa say ne be ya gise say Joseph ko bi gu ya want me ngusu bi mo odi agu yi what you say
you know could do Taifa mo main lorry station
yes
o kuta saloon as uto man hu no mo agise excavator ne papa na nim ho kura tutu
more what you say your mama one contractor to say hu ya
procurement
minister omo to tell hu say hu ya say baju kwa no so bi ye ba pa ye chana asphalt straight Sha, would have acquired if you call a boy by every have a piano on Munya asphalt in you. Who buys Legon? Even remember example, John Daman, a vice president, baby, will be in checkers and command. LPP office and my dear chair, I salam down. Near good area, Nimuna, your office and who's near per month actually. Your person creative and Tokwa. Tomuso to tell who's on Banner, you are ever Kuntokwa. A boy 11 on basis on a pioneer, you draw, be beyond the Mushay area, one Naka. 2 years because a ghost road. I hear for the young boy, ya, what call ya, no more my contract and any. Must out of Codon way in America. And before you see the kind of crack a crack. I dear John Mama, a car Yakufu and Timanyabi. JJ, the end put a coon and a 19 waste time. Who for 8 years or tribe, no choir or year, I can say, or you're bringing at the fine. But still, now we can't compare to your mama, or you can say, and Ketua. Why, you 8 years, 4 years, I recover 8 years, who can 4 years per year, 3 and 2 months or so. But performance or performing, what if we are there and compare? It's at the end of being a worker. Who could never be a customer when the last worker said, who bought it to one here and work at the end? What I say, if you are Mr. Vice President, Mr. Who drew by a beer, no one would have able to trade, Robert share, I'm all customer with you. But Ghana quite hard, yes, I mean, at the braca. Your mamma quite hard, dear. Mamma Chabako. Now I'm cooking, you see. Who fit Tapana will go so. A quino, a quadruple different coffee job was a joke. You coffee job. And this is for more Ghana to be after the dinner. Or start if you go to Kukuma called the area. Or ye ya baby see baby an minister ya on Yagima. Yes, I'm an award. I change ya. I use oh, I use Minister of Security or someone. The other one. The first not was it? Oh no, Security Minister, your friend is saying. Oh, dear, to us, 110. Nobody, Security Minister of Chelsea, Kandapa. Uta change for now, no more way. One to a yard, yes, Kandapa, obey minister, most one of the failure minister. Contractor Yefi, way, go also sang a cordial Kukumu, any memoir, but do a change here. Ya Ogusuyano, and the Fofian to Atano Jarabamu, and the Ababe MPP by his side. Say, Jumano, Yamomu Nastopo, 2 few on the Batepa, a quantity that's a good room, Nako of Shed Jumano, Moya Deba, and they were quantity them, they were driving on smooth. Na what take will be and they say NPP for them. Now, no, take a beer, I'm going to my echo. Yet, none put on Saturday body, they would say, yeah, change beyond the difference, change when one said I'm open any, or be some saying, my change money away, no, I have one. The whole academy I did. Did the American is a summit? Sir Vice President, so as Sano, so Yajumania, and never be one of my Yaji, never party for Sabiam Sabiano, Debbie Amatameka, Yashada more other tribes. And they're hanging out in the other room. Tipa for me, Marco could be. Now I affect you. We are near you of him. To be standing was and what jam after there. All to be Yashi, one so respecting home. No moon, no making sure that never do I advise me. You are Gideon and for first, I near Yodium, the best economy in West Africa or Africa. Nanyano crap. Near the General Nako Hinti. The next one, Vice President, where Vice, I'm a Sena, on Canon Parduca, one man temple with a Chambonichi. Said the Yama being Koya, the old train and no energy. So, collection, but I campaign manager Ponya. Those things on planning, don't forget the Yamana Warrior, war reply John Damani, John Dam. I don't know as a call election. That won't go with another cost bad because that day, which the platforms don't think as a over collection. They don't make a John Damani, Mamma, or no pet, and then papers here, you to or carry the team. That's the same way. Kato presidents in Libya, Kato basic crew with South Tennessee, your Mamma. And Phyllis Quachufu. Yeah. Also, you say a president and now the GPS with him at the cry, you know what because it's GPS. And at the 4th time, my mom was to be one of the professors. When people me, I put me, next to one of my friends. So there's a change in the money, but now upon the professor, you know, no colonial ones. So at the end of the day, I'm the man there, or company, that I'm with also. Why the plus or come back or go with me? And then from here to Nicrobe, Chevy to Accra. Only Canada. So what again? So what's on your day? Massa, yeah, one more to think for before when the computer to forget. Already go 90.5, Vice President Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, special aid to your Safumafo and every the chair papa. What's it? Special aid to your Safumafo. I don't know. Special aid. Sasso, it's a Kuntum press. Every Kuntum, and also Professor Kuntum interpreting someone who will route them. If you are Unya in such size Penibia and Tefre. Put your kitchen one. Walk down, spear. I never to most and to know
interfere no mo nyina agu entonton kra de omo de omo ye ntin kra nkoma yidam emti bo made ye wo kwa no so ho saso kwa no so ne de kama de siwu dem a ete said de wo de perfume bi agu dem kama saso kuntuntum preko kakai bites Ghana and Sapa Kingdom Beverages Limited and Hakofa inside about the Ghana National Mamado Dai Kakai bites which be a koye a pin for about time when you're 18 years I won't quite the men be but be a ton Sabia Subina Kakai bites now Monsa Akabia to form Fred 0302681984 0302681984 Goyle Seba Modena on Sanka or Go card was saying the man first can be marked so better for or Goyle filling station maybe a day reload. Here, Bana Bobia, no bit na do car. Now I will do this camera to so bit me that to go bit me that shopping or go cafe now. When you answer will be afraid to free number 0800-400-03. Na Emma Sankabi. Security warehouse, Omo, Efkan Bam Bombo Sampa, Diagana, Omo the Mufwa, Omona Kofa, the smart solar ghost CCTV camera at the Abba. Sa no more a solar video intercom, any other system like solar electric fence, any solar garage. Any gate automation, solar access control. Nina obenya bi ewo warehouse, security warehouse. Omo Dr. Abamadu Bamia M4 419 GPS ni macron use GPS da. Omo car trackers na ewo honom. Enti opa osu betimi akọ na ma boa na ama wonsaka eni amapa wa mo di abayi. Omo bo adwuma papa 0246 320 860 Nama on Sankabi, Never Wapamanda, Manamasi Asana, Yade Pampa so at the Brewo. Gan, 2 10 minutes na fe Memphis Cross.
Sure, me da say. Now, before me back Baomia Sono, Dr. Pame Pepra, and Onyonyani Kojo Bonsu, and on my birthday. Wow. Into no, me momo afishiapa. Na me say so any 2 minutes, and say a dear way in few. Right? Sir Usum, if you bonnet, sir, would ye aboa? Said in previous aboa be our so if ye, and if you back, Usum and if you a Jawajo, Medasi. Home MPP4 Eba out. Ebeka say Ibrahim Muhammad or your money laundering. Nankopon Adarum Papano Hrem. Companies are over any company, the audit or he explained everything to clear himself. And then your finance minister Sebin Predriasa Nejuma Oyeno. It is alleged and through a friend saying Paradise Papers say Oye money laundering.
It's alleged.
It is alleged. Sebin Prediasa, use the bank, data bank. Co-director. Your friend is saying, Mame Salif Johnson. And Kenya Paradise Papers here. Na minim Liberia Mampeni. San Kenya Paradise Papers here. Sebin Prediasa. Media men, responsible media men, Guardian Mo. Aya investigation at the Atua Bontinia. Na minim said data banker says Sally Johnson or your friend is saying director.
Where Juma I will say people are saying
Guardian. Aye.
Okay.
It is yes. Ya transfer sika to your friend is saying Bemuda. Miti Bemuda, ne Bemuda triangle. Minim da the level of business. This is an ongoing story. And as I said, no, it is an allegation on the head of the finance minister. Very, very important that this thing is investigated.
I'm very sure somebody responded.
I'm telling you, it is very, very necessary. Because if somebody like this, Ghana phone na yesikaso. Yeba alleged say he's into money laundering now. I don't know how safe because before Yeba Bajinatum as member friend saying finance minister, Yebisano a question on his dealing offshore dealings.
Also on his CV.
Yes, on his name in the CV so. Or said that free but somebody investigated and asked. And then it is becoming obvious, and I said, let me still remain as it being an allegation. So, or yeah, money laundering. And that will be a serious thing. We have always been calling on the president to be firm and act very firm and straight on his ministers and appointees. It is when to me an investigation, I'm a finance minister, Antonin Chaya. Then I will be surprised about how this nation is being governed under Nana Adudankwa Ekufuado.
GPS 419.
Opinion. Mesre Ghana Fonina. Baby Ghana Edru Eneno. Aye Araho. Hunto, you say Bawumia responds to Mahama. The truth, and they say, Bawumia couldn't respond to Mahama. But instead, he decided to go into the line of insult and immature response. Meka Akwakosi say President Ekabibi. Or say, application are free. Your friend Asasi GPS. Yaton Amagana. Nukre anase nukre. President, former President Mahama Eka say, we Pia, your friend is saying, President of the Republic, Etiko John say Uncle launch program 419. Nukre anase nukre. Another thing to say, Mwecha sika botere ama sebe obi akwakodini free for no work done. President Mahama essay, owo your friend say Asasi GPS ene. One sign so ewo Ghana Post, the same thing ampa anase enyampa. One enam. Ena wudidi atem. Say Mahama breso. Na bibi oho your friend Jida. Bibi oho your friend say I so photon. O say your friend say I confirm 419 ena de. Asema yebisa wo. You couldn't answer. And me, we are Vice President of Ghana. Say obi abokronoa. You can take that person to court. You have sought to deal with Ghanaians on the line of propaganda, lies and thievery.
Amoka say June, Ibenya Special Prosecutor.
Your November.
Deputy Minister, Attorney General. Also October near Shasi Constitution. We are yet to see.
Very good. Move to me and pursue one single thing. But moko jina mo platform so then you decide to throw a yampia. Did the president Mahama, the former president, go wrong? He never went wrong. Menu ekasei. Se unam enkra potem ha nanse momentu kwan kese enfri nkra ha. But ubon say ye the pictures be abobo corner. You say, Jack, where are you? Sir Jack, where are you? Omodi abobo enquine China de no. Baumia catch and say, Sir and Yemano Mino, accosting yen 35 billion cedis. Old Sikadada, Media Jack, and Una Minim. 35 billion cedis. For Jack, where are you?
The who a big body they give the Sipetema do be.
Medasi, I say, took room corner government. One corner government. Yeah. Unam Achimota overhead na say abo say nipa bitare ho na why say no
ufri jowlu
very good obo so bita ho na say very good
me use am kan say me don say we no ready agro
why the 35 billion I say tare ho no 35 billion na pa o ya say no
serious
35 billion cedis sabi say your friend is saying fuel prices in Crawford esu. Now want to me empty almost one. Don't waste their money. Now sabin preduasa. Ubeyi your friend is saying former president friend say Mahama. Ubeyi na noa. These are some of the responses that you need to give.
also be with so bisika obi an we so bisika o ye ono so pesika dia kwa be no so benya bibia die ye mwesi no
very good ejaka wo disika sei na ke e kan ka be ka wonu atum
ani ma fa
ka be ka wonu atum openyini sa GPS emide hwe before on babe launch sa programming na ukura your friends say wo phone na wo ko baby you can just Google and get there Uber sebi enye be yie no mde adwuma wo technology
the
same thing on the adwuma and now jira baby now here ka Uber wo call omo app ne so a wo tell wo location na wa ba oho aba be fa wo what are you telling me there's no app there's no address app the whole world wo ukra phone and wo be kire say me fie ni anase me dan ni anase hana me wo there's no app Oko, your friend is saying UK, South Africa.
Don't forget, MPP is a property owning democracy.
In the end of the year, me too be jinaha, me family phone, me say your friend is a radio gold, media. Call the boy town, call Ofanko for Obinu for 30 years on per land title to their land, Omunyai. Land title, Omunyai. Nene the okra phone, Utuminya land title. Oh boy, yas a few way media. Uko jina airport no bo if you we media. What nonsense? Many will air say open a year land valuation. Omuna omuwo plot to be a say 100 by 100 it will notify. Say 70 by 100 it will notify. Wo per application cause microphone no more mao your friend is saying Zoom Lion papa ya MPP for channel Dr. Sian Amo ye system I the national your friend is saying national service for echo pk your friend is saying data ewo ground amo ba abelenpe omni baby ma okosi omni baby abelenpe boundary ebesi picking all the data on the ground to put it in a system say be predators and yawo na beka say me fie ni anase hana metie somebody can just Google ebi ameko mawako kaka na ba. And then we'll driving when I'm driving and I'm using Google. It's me, baby, I make no pass your voice, dear crown. I just say in 5 minutes time pass left. Yeah. If you get here, pass right. I catch now. And yet your friend is saying assassin GPS. And then Obi ewo Nigeria. Or to me, Ghana yadani UN. Ye Ghana post your friend saying GPS. Obi ewo Nigeria or Yusu. Obi wa China. Oyusu the whole world Oyusu adia ye tuya amom. Are we thinking as a nation or we are still
I am call 0302303492 0302300282 hello Pacho didn't baby afraid
we are ready saying
Papa, what's your name? I'm going ni metimi choza but mu de mo ba ete mo ete ko tobe kuma hwe boss sese mu uko mu president afetika ukia na me bisa
mo komu de wa do se mi re
and I say Ashaven mo bisu meka boy mo the incoming youth organizer brown and half NDC Ashaven 0302303492 0302300282 hello Pacho Malam Isani
Nyamishira, Nyamishramu, Pipri, Unto, Ajabadi, I don't know what's your name. Unto, I never hear, can you go to Baunia? You see, Manum, who, it's about me, most of me. Can you go to Tlopita, 419, who are no better about me? Trahaji can, I want to become a war. You see, one of 419,
Anka also 0302303492 0302 300 Hello. Hello. Hello, caller. But you didn't be afraid.
I just salif in your Kenya.
Yes, you salif.
Sami, ne kama mwa basina jumapa muye adebo omangana. Sami, yebaka nana adadan kwa akufado ene bawunya samdia. Nde adiba chinye. Because ntona omutwa ya ama dara ko to aba famo hono. Na ukun juma omubadi na mosa. Aya susu tawo gana ha. Ndiye free yam bana for any to bana fono. Omoyan kabom ne break down because we break down wa juma power our down yebeye. Yes so no the kun na do fa akufado kukunza kaya ana dara ko tie. Nde invisible person women na be amutaketaka amafa wa gana obi ni ko wuyo nde roleted what kind of what to link out anta ampan je na da kwa fado e ban say yes ba o bien ya butre na insha Allah o man bali jonda ba wa ba aba wo re jiwa me da
yes yeah that's 0302 300 282 0302 303492 hello 441 into Nima.
Yamiru wa mabri aka mchi ya. Mami wafre ache. Ache wachi namba nu wafunzo. Intimate. Ofre. Ofre be izu.
Rally what wa ananyeza. Andi awa kwada ni mkurao. Anti mi zameti kura. So Minister, senior minister. Now the chief because your mama dear. Now we have for the new prize. Only the new chief of mama too. Because your mama dear, you are not travel. You want for you need after movie. Oh yes, no one from the move of here. No more to done. Not according to your rail. The mama was
yeah, that's Jamila 441 Nima. And we bit me for additional one call and 0302 30 3492 0302 300 282. Hello. But you didn't maybe a faith. Yeah, Abdullah.
Brother, I mean, she don't pop up. One of my ethnic and the watch about your father. You need to one because of all now. In the country, I don't know if I'm a country. No, I'm here. So, so more one can so move out. They say, I'll move from me. I'll move wow, come from the wow, yeah, you know that in the front. Not for a funny thing. Let's see, I get almost 50 in the barrier. Yeah, by you so was so transported. In the family, never made it, shot, and their career, and a career as well. I am who
hello. I'm saying, Humana, Anya, Atiatum. Pampa, so Breno, Anya, Bia, Besode, Ama, Onanka, percent can Yama, Apia Stadium, and Onanka, all responding to. Special aid to your Safoma for Dr. Mahamadu Baumia, Nancy Nahumano, a boom, and Shada and Koyi. And I appear with a background. Over background. So, on an responded to special background. Yamfa Ensia Abranta Alvis Abigaiki and Apragaiki Quitnubuj Medichidom. Na Shatawale say award Nesaka and Oko presented to Odifo Emmanuel Badukubi. Prophet Emmanuel Badu could be Glorious Way Church International. Odi and then we are Papa, Mr. Beautiful. Over Jumasa Concoma Hineja and Brepam Yebishia. Me did this amount the captain of the dress ship, Miko in Jackets and Common Special Aid to your Safo Mafo, Dr. Mahamadou Baumia, aka Dr. 419 GPS. Good news at 5 is next. Stay. It's a special aid.
0.5.
What
you just said is very scandalous. The vice president cannot be.
Oh, it's a special aid. Thank you, same time tomorrow. God bless you, Facebookers.